is the density of water? How does it work? And why does a wooden stick float on the water while a needle sinks? All this is related to the density of water. So first, let's understand what is the density of water. Density is the amount of volume present in an object, and volume is the amount of space that an object occupies. To understand the concept of density, we'll do a short experiment. So, here we have 2 glasses of water and 1 egg. One is normal water and the other is salt water. Okay, so first let's put the egg into the normal water. As we see that the normal water has less density than the egg. But when we put it in the salt water, it starts to float on it. So, when we mix salt in the water, it acts like a glucose for the water and gives it some strength. And that's why the egg is floating on the water. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. Bye.